Hello everyone! In this video, I will share with you my favorite recipe of the mind-blowing sesame cookies. Now they're still warm and soft, but they'll be more crunchy once they're cool. First, let's dry some seeds. 140 grams on the baking pan and into the oven. Put it in for about 10 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius. This is a bit too much. Such a golden color is okay, but not necessary. The seeds just need to be nice and dry. The dough is very simple. 100 grams of butter at room temperature. Add 120 grams of sugar. I'm using powder. I'm not a fan of sugar crunching on my teeth. Mix the butter with the sugar very well. Now add a pinch of salt, a bit of vanilla sugar, and 1 egg. And give it another good whip. Next goes 160 grams of flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoonful of cocoa. And mix it well once again. Now add 2/3 of the dried seeds. The dough comes out quite soft. Now I'll wrap it into film and put it in the fridge. For half an hour into the main section, or if you want it quick, you can put it into the freezer for 10 minutes. Once the dough is ready, let's shape the cookies. Roll them into small balls and give them a nice bath in the remaining seeds. About this size. Place them on the baking pan about 5 to 8 centimeters away from each other. Now set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 minutes. Ten minutes later, just a little bit more. Smells fantastic all around the house. The cookies are ready. Looks gorgeous, and the taste is very cool and non-trivial. I just love these. You just have to try them too, and then let me know how you like them. Enjoy this delicious treat and make sure you save some to share with your family.